Hey guys, today let's learn how to use Leonardo AI to generate images. So if you want to learn how to use Leonardo AI to generate your own random images, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to do this, so please watch this video until the end to find out how. All we need to do first, guys, is to launch our browsers, and I want you to go on to the Leonardo AI website. So search for leonardo.ai. Let's tap on this three lines in the top right corner and tap on Launch App. Now once we're here, let's go ahead and tap on the three lines once more, and let's tap on AI image generation. Now once you're here, we could actually now go ahead and type in the specific prompt that we want to go ahead and generate. As you see, you could type in anything you'd like, and in this case, let's assume that you would want to go ahead and create advanced alien from outer space. And let's see what specific results we are going to have from this. Wait for this to basically finish its processing. And as you see, we now have the specific image that we want from Leonardo AI. We can now go ahead and download this and do the same with the rest of the specific images that we want to go ahead and generate from Leonardo AI. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.